Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Steamed seitan stays more dense and doesn't absorb water. When simmered, the dough absorbs some of the cooking liquid, giving it a higher water content. This makes it harder to get a good sear on the outside of the seitan if you're using it afterward in something like a stir-fry. 19 July 2019.
Take our lead.
The cooking time of 90 minutes seems to be about right, though. Cover your seitan with broth in a baking dish and flip it over after half the baking time. This is just like slow cooking a meat dish instead of boiling it. I was only able to get good-ish results with this, but too doughy.
Let's help you make your mark.
Steaming the seitan first cooks the dough through, and makes it juicy and tender. In my experimenting, I also tried boiling and baking the seitan, but steaming it was by far the best method for the ideal texture for a vegan steak. 13 May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Store-bought seitan is incredibly easy to prepare. You just dice it up, throw it in a pan with a dash of oil, cook it on medium heat for a few minutes and voila! You don't have to press it like tofu, and it soaks up flavor much faster than tofu, so no crazy long marinating times are involved. 28 January 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
40 to 60 minutes. If steaming, place the foil-wrapped seitan in a steamer basket in a pot over 2 inches of water. Cover and steam until the seitan has firmed up, anywhere from 40 to 60 minutes, depending on how you formed the seitan. 15 May 2017.
Take our lead.
You need to knead if you want a less chewy and more tender seitan. Knead it for a shorter period of time. Most recipes require kneading the dough for an average of 3 minutes, followed by a 10-minute rest period and then a bit more kneading.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bring 4 cups vegetable broth, water, and tamari to a boil in a large pot. Carefully place patties into boiling broth, cover pot and return to a boil. Set lid slightly askew to vent steam and reduce heat to low. Continue simmering patties until firm, turning patties occasionally, about 1 hour.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do not boil your seitan. Alternatively, you can steam your seitan. Wrap it in aluminum foil and put in a steamer basket. Baking seitan requires the dough to have more moisture in it than simmering or steaming requires. If the dough isn't moist enough, the baked seitan will have a super bready texture to it. 16 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
About 5 minutes. Just like with bread making, we need to knead the dough a bit, to develop strands of gluten that give seitan a meaty texture. About 5 minutes of kneading is sufficient. Let it sit for about 5 minutes after that. 13 July 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A little goes a long way. If the seitan is mushy and does not spring back when you press it with your fingers, then it's too wet and will come out spongy if you try to cook it. Add more wheat gluten a tablespoon at a time until it has a more elastic texture. 23 July 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.